Came down to the Menomonee to fish today with my little girl. Got some time. Oh, there's a train coming. I found some nice open water here where we would usually catch fish, but there's no fish here today. Oh, there's a bunch of ice coming down. That's pretty awesome. And if you're heading home, traffic's pretty decent, moving at a good pace on 94. So, yeah, I didn't even see a single fish today. Saw a train, see it right now maybe. Yeah, nice day.